Introducing the next generation of ice machines from Scotsman Ice Systems, the Prodigy Elite Modular Cube Series. Continuing the tradition of unmatched reliability, convenient maintenance, cleaning, and ease of use, the Prodigy Elite Series is truly the first of its kind. The updated Auto Alert Indicator panel communicates a variety of messages visible from across a room. The external LEDs intuitively show machine status while providing a reminder when it's time to clean. The most exciting addition to the Auto Alert panel is the Bluetooth connection button. With a simple press, your Prodigy Elite ice machine can be connected to the innovative ICELINQ mobile app. Within the app, you will find a simplified experience to interact with your ice machine. The app offers detailed unit-specific information, guided cleaning steps, troubleshooting support, and settings adjustments for easy operation and maximum uptime. To make guided cleaning and maintenance even easier, we've improved the accessibility to the Prodigy Elite interior with quarter-turn screws and a new front panel featuring a hook and latch system for consistent alignment. The front-facing reusable air filter simplifies cleaning and reduces side clearance requirements for tight installations. Once inside the Prodigy Elite unit, you'll find upgraded sensors for ice thickness and water level indication. The new sensor designs emphasize durability and easy cleaning for more reliable operation. The water level indication probe features WaterSense technology, which minimizes utility costs and can extend cleaning intervals. The control panel has also been updated to communicate machine status more effectively by using a 16-segment display. The machine will intelligently switch into preservation mode if it encounters a pattern of inconsistent ice production. If activated, you will be notified while the machine continues ice production for maximum uptime, instead of shutting down like competing models. With Prodigy Elite, owning, operating, and servicing an ice machine has never been easier. Contact your sales representative to learn more about Prodigy Elite and our full product lineup, or visit scotsman-ice.com.